Hello student, welcome to my class for class 9th. Okay, and today you will understand what is the new syllabus for 402 I'm going to say information technology for class 9th. Okay, so we can continue. I'm going to say let's start. So there are 4 sections for the units, that is part A, part B and part C and part D. Okay, here is in part A, so communication employability skill is introduced. In employability skill, the communication skill, self-awareness skill, ICT skill, entrepreneurial skill and green skill is introduced. We will discuss in later in briefly, I am to say in deeply. Okay, and next one part B, that is regarding to the subject skills specification, that is how to do the practicals regarding to that. So introduction to IT and ITCS industry, and second unit data entry and keyboard skill, third digital documentation, fourth electronic spreadsheet, and fifth digital presentation. Okay, and fifth one, that is C part, it is practical examination, written test and vice versa. Okay, vice versa. So 15 marks for practical examination, 10 marks for written test, 10 marks for vice versa, so that is 35 marks. And project and field visit, that is practical file or student portfolio, whatever student can have the assignment regarding the whole years or whatever, so vice versa. Okay, so 10 marks and 5 marks, that 15 marks, so it is totally will be 50 marks. So student, there are two different part are there for classwork, that is part A and part B, that is of 40 marks, and 10 marks, that is 50 marks, and C and D part, that is regarding to practical marks, that is also 50 marks, so total will be 100. So student, in this particular topic we will cover the first one thing, that is introduction to IT and ITCS. I will provide you the notes through the WhatsApp and applications also. So let's begin and start. So we need to just go to that particular notes, okay, of class 9th. Yes, so this is unit 1, introduction to IT and ITCS industry student. So unit 2, data entry and keyboard skill. Okay, under this we will understand what is keyboard. So you can see, in order to enhance the operational skill and use the computer knowledge efficient effective keyboard skill is typing economics has been inevitable by today. Okay, so student, keyboard actually input device by which we can input the data, but it is a particular device by which we can type the content also with a specific manner. I am to say, whenever the words are going to be say typed, it is easy to type. Okay, so now keyboarding skill. Keyboard is a most common text based input device. Yes, so student, actually it is a very important, that is important and most important device. Okay, by that we can input the data through the keyboard only, that is text based input device. So computer keyboard similar to electronic typewriter. Yes, so it is actually, student, you have noticed keys are same as typewriter. Okay, so keyboard with the additional key are generally more than 100 key. Okay, that is for 104 key. Okay, so now it contain alphabet, digits and symbols also. Okay, into the computer. Simultaneously key press can produce the action also. For example, Alt F4, it provides you some effect also. Okay, same thing. So now we can go to what are the types of keys in the keyboard. So first of all thing, there are these type of the keys are there. First one thing, alphanumeric key. Alphanumeric key, that means A to Z, that is alphabet, and numeric key 0 to 9 on keyboards. Next one thing, punctuation key. So punctuation key consider those type of symbols which are used as in the form of punctuation also, like semicolon, braces, comma, period, parenthesis, equal, plus, minus sign also. Now alt key, the short of alternate key, it is a short of alternate key. This key is like a second control key. Okay, understand? Now arrow key, these are 4 arrow key, that is up, down, right, left. Okay, these are used to navigate the cursor also. Sometimes navigate the cursor also, I mean to say it need to move the cursor from up, down or whatever in Microsoft Excel. Now shift or alt key, so to remove the cursor in a more than one position at a time. Suppose that if you have opened more than one application or cascading mode a particular software, so that time you can shift, okay, or press the alt key to remove the cursor from that position. Backspace key, it delete the character just you are writing from left of the cursor. Okay, you have used in Microsoft Word also. Okay, and caps lock key. So caps lock key, it is used to toggle key. It is actually toggle key means when you will press it, its effect looks like pressed only. If you will again press it, it will unlock unpressed like effect. That is mean toggle effect. So which is activated cause the alphanumeric character can be uppercase. Okay student, caps lock and caps off key, that mean capital letter and small letter you are writing. Control key, the control key used in a conjunction. Okay, other keys are produced the control characters. The meaning of the each control character depends on which program is running. Okay, delete key, it is used to delete a particular file, a particular content. Okay, graphic also, when you suppose that in Microsoft Word you have placed a graphic, I'm saying image, you can delete it also by using the delete button, directly pressing select them and delete them. Now enter key or return key, so it is used to enter the commands to move the cursor to beginning of the next line. Yes student, in a line like CMD prompt, when you are going to type some command and after that you are going to press enter button, it will return to the next line. Escape key, as the name suggests, escape key is used to send a special code to device to exit, okay, or escape from the program or task. Okay, so escape actually a particular key. This is left top corner cause, that is a corner, it exists, named as ESC key. Okay, that is used to escape from any program in some conditional, like you don't know how to exit from that, so that time you can use it. Now function key are labeled key, also known as labeled with the help of from the F1 to F12. Okay, so F1 to F12 key is termed as function key. They have their own different functionalities according to operating system and the application software. So when you are pressing this particular key, it will open a particular functionality. That's why they are produced named as function key. Now you can understand what is numerical key. So you can this one figure, this is numerical key, this is 0 to 9, and along with enter, plus, sign, multiplication, divide, and numlock and num off also. So here we need to understand what are the symbolic key. I am to say operator key here. Operator key, I am to say symbolic key are like division, like slash, asterisk, that is multiplication, minus, that means subtraction, plus, additional, enter, it means to say equal, you can say that. Okay, or process the enter. Okay, so now home keys, you can understand here is different keys are there, except the number also. Here are number of the keys containing the name also. For example, here end, page down, home, page up, insert, delete, enter, numlock. So you will understand that first of all home key. So student, home key actually provides you the first one thing, how to return to the first line, beginning of the first line. Okay, end key, how to return to the end of the line of the particular statement. Page up, it will shift the page upside if more than one page in your document. Page down, shift the downward. Delete the particular selected. Now we are going to understand ASDF format of the keyboard. Okay, so you can see in this figure student, a keyboard has shown here. I am to say figure of keyboard shown here. Here a finger positioning also given here. Okay, here is A, S, D, F. Okay, and then after that J, K, L, and then semicolon or colon. Okay, so here student, you can place the finger according to this one thing, and you can see in A and J there are two keys are there in a keyboard which having some kind of this one thing, I am to say a particular points are there which indicates you or helps you, okay, to press the keys from here. I'm saying put the your hand in such manner, okay, by which you can type as much as faster as you can do. Okay, so here is guide key. On the computer, keys F and J are called guide key. Understand student? So here is F and J are called as guide key. So you can easily write in your notes also. For left hand and right hand, okay, so both contain small rise and triangle marks with the help of the which, okay, figure shown in this particular diagram. So this figure shows you how to positioning your hand in a keyboard with the help of guide key. Typing, deleting text. Okay, so you can type a particular text using keyboard also, and deleting, you can just press delete button, as you can see in the figure here. So you can see delete button. Okay, you can press the delete button also. Now typing capital letter. So how you type the capital letter? You have to just press caps lock button. Caps lock button, I will show you, student. Here is caps lock button. Okay, so you can press caps lock button and then you can type word thing capital letters. And now after that, typing symbols, you directly type the symbol with the help of pressing shift key and numbers key that is given in figure. I will show you here, students. So here you can press shift key. Okay, along with that you can type these numbers key also. So whatever the upside written symbol, it will print along with shift key. So this is symbol, you can print it. Okay, and now after that, typing sentence. So student, you can directly type the sentence using keyboard by guide keys or directly by your finger through the alphabet key. Okay, now creating new line, space between the paragraph. So how you can create a new line? By pressing the enter key, you can create the new line. Okay, by pressing this one key, you can create the new line. And how to create the space? Okay, so you can create the space with the help of space bar. So space bar do not have printed nothing, and I'm to say in a key. So this is space bar. While you pressing this one button, I'm to say key, so it will create a space also. Now we understand guide for typing. So the cursor key serves as guide for typing. For example, you can see this one is cursor. I'm going to put in on typing also. Okay, this is termed as cursor. So with the help of this particular cursor, it helps you where you are in this particular digital documentation. Okay, I'm say typing content, and you can type it also. So the cursor key serves as a guide key typing. Okay, guide for typing. They can be used for move position to the cursor, and the cursor small downloadable file and flicker in. Okay, it and sentence while typing. Move the position of the cursor by clicking the position of the mouse. Yes, student, this particular paragraph tells you the particular cursor. As you can see, this one cursor, I'm going to moving it. Okay, this helps you where you are typing. Okay, and when you are pressing enter, it will come to the down of the next line, and then after that it will flicker. Flicker means it going to blink. Okay, and it will wait for your typing. And you can, if you want to come back to the older one sentence, you can just click it to particular location like this. Okay, it will transfer your control to the particular selected data. I'm say statement. So student, for the day we have learned input device. Okay, that is keyboard, how to work with that. So next part I will bring you for tomorrow. Okay, so till then, have a nice day.